My brother, all this our parent and the folk pastor. All this one. But the difference between our own and their own, say, they do one with respect. Not be all this one before you carry guests. Hey, they shout like mumu. All this our parents, they know the shout. They know the mourn, they swallow one. As it neck, erifofu. He got the way the woman go shout, which if papa go snap her, gunwe a shower. Hello. DJ. Stop that music, you bitch. Over small boy, I'm not contributing anything to your life. You pay me money. Afana. He tied all the all to police arrest one of my guys. He said they see blue film for a phone. Say na blue film that they watch before they go rape. Tie all the hot, baba. They arrest my cousin for state CID after 5 days. As he come back, zone 5 pick him. Wow, when I clap for that small boy, the boy try you. The boy try you to do show no easy. The boy they talk work. He goes, where the parents? Where are the parents? Mama, parents. Now this boy got the parents now. Don't make a move. Yeah, it's like you are Christian. Now yeah, work don't introduce now put so. If you try comedy now blue film, this idiot boy so where they carry na piki waka. Now yeah, person no. Now you teach me how to drink alcohol. Your son is gone. This yeah boy, not be joke, this senator so. I was a decent boy before I met him. Teach me alcohol. He useless my life. No while I tell you get 2 boys. And I'm going to go put them for court. I'll tell them when they follow me go bush, I want to show them monkey or blend them. And I go blend them for opposite courts. 2 courts where they fight way. So when time they hot, your house go they hot. But say, Daddy, Champions Court has started again. Let them die and perish. What? People don't they go. I want to do something for the boy, but people will get money don't go. Fellow poor people now will remain. Which are you they play, you they smoke? The way leaders of tomorrow take the smoke, and may tomorrow not catch fire. Oh boy, your tomorrow go loud. Alpha, why you they smoke? You say? I ain't got you. People when they buy ticket for, their voice can loud. Bro, not kill yourself, oh. At timeless, you see they around now. You not say Nigerian ladies are hypocrites now. You go to tell man say, relationship have ended. I don't blame you because you have seen my nakedness. Eh? Man, when you see na graphics design, that be my brick. I take on your toto. Sorry, this guy parents here. Daddy, Toto means social study assignment. I don't want to talk to Toto when the parents are here. Daddy, you know Toto? My brother, all this our parent and the folk pastor. All this one. But the difference between our own and their own, say, they do one with respect. Not be all this one before you carry guests. Hey, they shout like mumu. All this our parents, they know the shout. They know the mourn, they swallow one. As it neck, erifofu. He got the way the woman go shout, which if papa go snap her, gunwe a shower.
This $1 don't be 1,600.
I have a university student there. Listen, you student, I'm not your mate. 2010, I was the SCG vice president. University student, clap for me, you bitch. Nothing sweet student reach say, everybody for your house now illiterate. You don't make your papa go pay tire. I bought my first car in school. My papa not go, my mama not go, my cousin not go. Anything I tell my papa, they pay. I mean, they come back, Baba, I need 100K for what? To pay for Uniben atmosphere. Papa say, what happen? I say, cut his Stephen. My man not go school, very rugged, yokro woman. Yeah, for me to scam my man, I need to increase the English. Yeah, say, what? I need 200K. For what? For my departmental spinal cord and our faculty of esophagus. I'm going to say, on an esophagus, why shampoo? Life get jealous, you. Small success. When you achieve with lie, why shampoo you they monitor me? Now I say, Casino, how do you make it? Now I say, are your parents illiterate? I say, yes. I say, just speak grammar. Ask them for money, they go pay. You don't know, say the Isha woman very rugged. Now I call my mama. Ine, my mama say Monday, but yeah, you say offering. Say Ine, I need 200,000. Say for what? Now the boy say to pay for Aristotle. Now the woman look at say Monday, Aristotle. Now the boy say yes, in the Aristotle. Say Monday, maybe it's go be Aristotle. He can't where they are rich can't come out. What do you call here in Monday? Toto. In Monday. That the woman say, in Monday, I cannot pay for Toto. Cannot pay for Toto. Let everybody go home. Student, nothing sweet illiterate. We say people will go school, not get work. Are you a student? You a boy again? Now USK they fight against you. The way you take dress. You a boy? Why you play there? Get money before you do all this. Is anything poor man picky do now? See no. Also, you want the plated. You know say as you did now. If JJ Okocha plate hair and stylist, if you plate hair, you be vagabond. Poor anything poor man do not good. May we never be poor, bro. May we never be poor. I know it's how they talk. I've been there. Poor man picking to suffer. You know say if rich man picking fail, they know they beat him. The teacher they follow and call us. Say your son is a slow learner. Poor man picking fail, they don't tear your head for school. Now Lodo you bought. Bro, may we never be poor. You suppose the answer is may you. Why did you quiet and praying for you? You wear eyeglass. Now, those the way with their school, which is everybody wear eyeglass, not no book. Now, later we come to say, I have problem. Bro, have you noticed that men suffer? Everything we do now, it will end in suffering. See me now, I don't born now. Passing through pain. I buy baby food, groceries. Chicken for my 3 children. 2.5 million. He put and know what God do for them. They're not a bad man, oh. As I day outside now, they also my children, they sleep, and my wife, a grateful family. Tomorrow they will go UK, they'll carry their mama go do a mugo. Me yoko do yoko. I hear they laugh. My children will not carry me and their mama, may they rest. If they carry my mama, so my wife will call, they do video call. Kidnapper see this side, Allah. I go report her to immigration, say she's into drugs. Let everybody come back. You bitch. I they fight for men. Do you know when I gave birth, I invited my mother-in-law, also invited my father-in-law. Men see they enjoy. As my mother-in-law, they bath my wife. They press her belly. My father-in-law, they bath me. They press my brocosh. He get where the man press her. Now I say, my son, you gather. Oh. Now I say your wife with your daughter will testify. Suffer won't kill men. Men they suffer. Oh. You know say no song. They're not singing any song for man. Why are you to this body, to this fine girl? Run, leave her. Oh. People when no book now they make her. This one I intelligent boy will be poor. Class rep. Class rep know the queen make her. Why? Let me also tell you one thing that men will suffer from. Do you know that women will make you feel that our private part is not private? Now, on our private part, get value. I will not get. We are useless. You don't see where get married as a virgin. The full church, they are happy. Sister, what's your name? Eh? Chichi. Chichi, okay. Abba say be virgin. God forbid, do I know you are not. So, for example, if Babalawo want play you while you go, say me go find virgin for Ugbo. Where you want to see her? Now, Chichi, now you are a virgin or you married. People go be happy. Pastor go use and preach. Say, Sister Chichi, look at her. She has never met a man. She married a virgin. Her mother go dey proud. Her head go blow. Be go. The mother-in-law when one marry go dey happy. The husband go dey happy. The pastor go dey happy. They take glory. Why? Because she be virgin. And also I don't believe. I married a virgin. So now you fuck me. Which of these son? But let's assume say man now they marry as virgin. CEO timeless. They marry as virgin. Pastor not go answer me. If they ever answer, go be like curse. I say this is our brother. We don't know what happened. We don't know how he lived his life. They said he's a virgin. They're not always believable. Some people came to tell me he has never slept with a woman before in his life. Now the mother-in-law go shout, "Oh, my daughter don't marry Mumu." But that's how it works. This country, when nurses they call you by the name of your sickness, or got diabetes, stay one place. I don't get time now. Stay one place. Bro, I don't even have problem with you. You know, I want to crack this joke. Do you know that as a married man, you are not a happy man? Yes. An average married man is not a happy man. 90% of all the married men that are here, not be our spec we marry. You know, say now the moment you marry as a man, now you jam your spec. It happened to me now. Yeah, I married wrongly. I'm 6 years old in wrong marriage. I be even born now. I like breasts. My brothers. When I want to marry, fine. And not see, that's okay. Let's not have yash. Let's go for breasts. Fine. That's also intelligent that they see. All those girls when they wear eyeglass like PhD teacher. Now you go mistake marry woman we no get yash. If you see my wife, flat, no yash. Be like this. Be like Chinese man with the piece. As I marry, I carry my wife go my house for Ruben. I go bye. 2 weeks later, now 2 guests your pa come our compound. If you see yash, if you see breasts, then they will ride Range Rover. What it shocked me, all the guests come be my friends. As the guests see me, oh, Casino, you are my dream man for my man. Where you there, this may go kill you. Should not be well with your family. Oh, Casino, I can't believe I'm meeting you. So they enter compound, though. Early morning, all these useless guys, they send me text message. Hi, MC Casino. I just want to let you know, you are a phenomenal man. You are my dream man. You are the best to ever do it. You are a man of different purpose. Sweet, sweet names. And the one with me married, not they call me sweet name. Yes, with my wife, they call me, if I send her money, yes, them she go call me, Cassiwewe. I be vigilante. I be vigilante. Kasi lumbus. I say I be Kana, I want to rituals. What he can't even pay me, bro? I was doing my Europe tour. I can't call, say I need loan, like 20. I don't know how to get a year. Then the girl call me, hi, neighbor. Hi, sweet. I heard that you need money. Come to my flat. Now I go. Now she transfer me 20 million. And I made the take off my wife's family. As I come out, now the girl cut and say, casino. Now borrow, we talk, oh. So they come out, now she say, I wish you were not married. You wouldn't have paid back. Other night I've one poison my wife now. Let everything end. Enough is enough. What if you pay me? As I did show so, they go my Instagram page, they check when I get shows. If she can't check and say, okay, I they perform tonight, she'll come call me. Hi, Lawrence. When is your call time? Call time now when I want to perform. I call her and say, my call time is 10. Bro, 9:30. She does send message. Hi, Lawrence. As she go on stage, I just want to let you know you are the best to ever do it. You are a first-class champion and a super success. Go and outdo yourself. This is now who are not married. 5 minutes to 10 when I want to perform, my wife will just send me text. Every time, show. You barely have time for your family. I think it's about time you choose between your family and your career. Now reply, I choose our neighbor. Ladies and gentlemen, good night. My name is MC Casino. I love you.